Hi, it's William. So we already finished the project like this. Okay, we can add new things, and we can delete, swipe, delete, right? And we can swipe and click delete. We can filter things, but how to add a search bar? Okay, so how to do that? Really, really simple. You just need to add a searchable here. So content view is like our main view. First, we need a placeholder to place the search thing. So state and private var, because we're not going to access it anywhere else. So search content. Okay. So basically, there will be the content stream that you're going to search. Let me just place some empty string here. And in order to make a searchable, you just need to add a searchable. Okay, it's really, really simple. Navigation destination toolbar, just before the toolbar, all right? Dot and make it searchable. Searchable, okay, searchable. And we got a text of a binding. We just need to bind the search content to here. Really, really simple, right? And right now you can sort of already see the search here, but we won't be able to actually search it because we're going to add that to the filter, right? So, oh yeah, so we got a search here, but if you add something, you won't be able to filter it because we're going to pass that to the filter in order to actually search it. So we need to pass it not only the standard sorting logic, but also we're going to add some sort of a search logic. So basically, you're going to pass the content you want to search as a search string. Of course, you'll give you error because extra argument. So we're going to swap the things to do list view here. Yeah, here. So you're going to add more things inside this int. So basically, we're going to just pass a sort of sorting criteria to here.